I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious cornbread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a perfect batch. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk or buttermilk, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or oil ready. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delightful cornbread experience. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get mixing. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently mix the egg, milk, and melted butter or oil. Finally, pour the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring just until everything is moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cornbread. It's time to bake our delicious cornbread. First, make sure to grease an 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan or a 10-inch cast iron skillet to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your perfectly mixed batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Place it into your preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The aroma filling your kitchen will be absolutely wonderful. Your amazing cornbread is ready. To ensure it holds its shape, let it cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This brief cooling period makes it much easier to handle. Then, you can cut it into 9 equal pieces, perfect for sharing. Serve your warm cornbread with a generous pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside a hearty bowl of chili. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, though it rarely lasts that long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.